Hey people, we're gonna dive straight to deep and heavy waters. When you are in a maze and you feel like you're going crazy, do you think if you give up, you'll find solace? Most likely not. It's better to keep moving, running into a dead end, turning around and taking another way. Do you know Zaraki Kenpachi and Yachuro from Bleach? The time he ended up on blocked roads and they wouldn't even give time to themselves for being sullen. It seems so funny and enthusiastic to me. When you start a journey, either you can go on and try to find the right way. Or you can just try to find a mentor who have been through your journey, who can guide you. Do you know, it never occurred to me that I should look for a mentor. I dive straight into my journey without thinking, trying to find and try to figure out the way I should go. You know, it never occurred to me finding a mentor and then starting my journey. So I'll start doing it moving forward. I'm adding my newest vision board for you because you might not find the path if you don't have the vision. Maybe you have been through this. I wish to look back and hopefully feel good about where I am. You might have heard the last poem on the other flower video. I might now try another one. Trying to put the situations, feelings you encountered but do not understand the way you heading until it have passed. In the heart of spring, where blossom dance, a tapestry of life begin its strands. From seeds of hope they gently unfold. In nature's symphony each petal swells. Amidst the garden hardship lurk, yet flowers brave, they do not shirk. Through storms they bend but do not break, for in their roots resilience they make. Like life's struggle, they face the rain, but through it all, they still maintain. Each droplet falls a lesson learned, in every setback a new path discerned. Yet when the sun breaks through the grey and cloud disperse, they pave the way, a bloom in glory, our triumphs tale, and victory's embrace, they never fail. So too in life, when trouble cease and answer come, a sense of peace, a moment's respite, a breath so deep, in quiet solace, our souls do sleep. For just as flowers need their rest, in stillness found, they are truly blessed. In the bloom of spring we find our grace, in every season life's wondrous embrace. After having no inspiration to watch anything, I have started watching Bleach and making steady progress on it. It's April. Life happens to be around the same corner. I'm trying to get my axis right, looking at myself from an onlooker's perspective. Looking at how much I have traveled, rather roamed around, and haven't figured out how I love touching same old trees and being in a familiar garden reminiscing in my unconscious mind. In the quiet moments of solitude, I find myself tracing the edges of memories. Each one a whispered echo of laughter shared. Of tears shed and hearts intertwined. There's a bittersweet melody in the fading echoes, a reminder of those who once walked beside me. Presence of warmth that lingers in the shadows, even as their absence weigh heavy on my heart. In losing them, I have learned the ache of longing. The hollow space they left behind. Amidst the emptiness, there's a flicker of hope, a gentle whisper that tells me it's not the end. For in the spaces where they once stood, new seeds of possibility begin to take root. Each loss a tender invitation to grow, to stretch my roots deeper into the soil of my soul. And as I mourn the pieces of myself I have left behind, I'm reminded of the strength that resides within. The resilience to weather the storms of loss and emerge battered but unbowed.